Hello everybody, this is Montgomery, and I'd like to dedicate this video to YouTube user 90BAC. He wanted to see a door closer simulation in Algodoo, so I decided I'd do one. I did some work to the two door closers. I took the bar lock off because it was starting to get a little hot. It was a little annoying just to have to mess with the lock and all that, so I took the lock off, and I want to show you something what happened. It's the regular arm closer, and look at this. You see it's not going very smooth like it should. It's because the regular arm closer is leaking. So we'll do that again. And I adjusted the max force so I make it easier to open the door. See how it's not closing very smooth? We'll do that again. Do that again. See? Not closing very smooth. Now we'll adjust the sweep speed to 2. Adjust the sweep speed, put a 0, an extra 0 behind it, and we'll let you see it with the adjusted speeds. Here we go. See? Not